Here's the Chevrolet Equinox. Let's get started. This child door lock feature is only on the rear door, not the front door. So let's go ahead, open the rear left door, and now push the switch invert to activate the feature. And now the feature is activated. I can still open it from outside. However, if I get on the inside and close the door, no matter what I do, lock, unlock, doesn't matter. I cannot open the door. See, I'm stuck here. So how do I get out of the car? I'm just going to slide onto the other side and open that other door because we haven't activated the feature over here yet. So let's just go on over here, open this door and get out of the car. Now let's open the left side door from outside, push the switch outwards to deactivate the feature, and that's it. Now it's deactivated, back to normal. I can open it from outside. And on the inside, when it's in the lock position, it doesn't open right away, but do it one more time and it does open. And that's it. Let's repeat the process for the right side door. Exact same process, no differences whatsoever. Same switch, same process. Push the switch inwards to activate the feature, and I can still open it from outside. And on the inside now, no matter what I do, I will not be able to open the door. So how am I going to get out? You already know it. I'm going to slide onto the other side and open that door and get out. So if you do have a child in the back seat, make sure you activate this feature separately for both the doors. You don't want the child to just slide onto the other side, open the other door and get out and cause any issues. Open the right side door from outside. Push the switch outwards to deactivate the feature now. I can open it from outside as normal. And on the inside, when it's in the lock position, I cannot open. Do it one more time. And I can open. And that's good. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.